So here we are in where are we? In Heathrow.
Yeah.
In our first ever electric car ride. It's actually a self-driven electric car. Look, there's no driver. Oh my god. We've been driven by a robot.
But there's no other cars on the road though. So
And in fact, we're on a kind of channel, aren't we? If you look at the front, we're between two fences. So we're not actually on a road.
No, so there's not the kind of fear factor. It feels more like a fairground ride.
Or like those trains you get in the airport that run on driverless trains at the airport. But it is the first. I didn't even know there was driverless cars in Britain going on. Did you?
No.
Until you said to me yesterday, we're going to get a pod to the thing, and I said, "What? A pod? What's a pod? Like, isn't a pod with peas growing?" And you said, "Oh no, we'll get a pod." And you said, "Well, it's You expected me to know fully what a pod was, and I had no idea."
So we are in the pod. It's a tiny. It's a 6-seater.
So do you think this is going to take all the jobs away of drivers?
No.
Why not?
Because they're going to be cleaned.
Sorry?
They have to be cleaned and
But
maintained.
Can't
and
a
so
robot do that?
No.
And how would you like to be driven to work every day by one of these?
Yes, please.
Yeah?
Yeah, definitely would be happy with one of these.
Why?
Because it's not got too many people, and it's quite efficient. And they come every 2 minutes.
Right.
And there's no other cars on the way. So the only thing that could possibly happen is you'd break down. But yeah, I'm up for them.
Okay. Very good. Well, I don't know what else to say about this except bye.